Welcome to Mental Matrix with EJD. In this video, we're looking at the smart way of doing the cube of a difference. Like you have a minus b raised to power 3. What is the easy way to go? Of course, that follows from binomial expansion, just like the previous one we did. And here you're going to have alternating plus and minus signs, where the first one is plus. So you have a, okay, you have a raised to power 3. That's positive. The next one will be negative. So you have minus 3a squared b. So it's just like when you have the sum of a difference, except that the signs are now alternating, starting with plus. Then next you have 3, that's plus now, plus a b squared, and finally minus b cubed. So almost exactly the same like what we did previously, except that the signs are alternating. So if you have x minus 2 raised to power 3, what do? The first x, you have x raised to power 3 minus 3x squared into 2 plus 3x into 2 squared minus 2 cube, like that. So plus minus like that. So x cube 3x squared 2 3x 2 squared minus 2 cube, and all of that is just going to be x cube minus 3 times 2, that's 6x squared, then plus 2 squared is 4, 4 times 3 is 12, so you have 12x, and finally 2 raised to power 3, that is 8, and that goes. So for the next one, you have 3m minus 2n cubed. So that is simply going to be 3m raised to power 3 minus 3 into 3m all squared into 2n plus 3 into 3m raised to power 1 into 2n squared, then minus 2n raised to power 3, and that's how that goes. So finally 3m cubed, that's 27m cubed. Then minus 3 squared is 9. So 9 times 3 is 27. 27 times 2, that's 54. That's 54m squared n. All right. 3 times 9, 27. 27 times 2, 54. So m squared n. Then next, 2 raised to power 2 is 4. 4 times 3 is 12. 12 times 3 is 36. That's 3 times 3, 9 times 4, 36 m n squared. And lastly, you have 2 raised to power 2n raised to power 3. That is 8n cubed, right? So how do you do 5u minus 8v raised to power 3 following this very straight way? All right, so subscribe to this channel, hit the notification bell so you can get alerted each time I release these smart videos. Bye.